I am Sanjay Sharma, your computer teacher. Today I am going to show about the different tools of the selection. Now first tools we are going to discuss about that is the lasso tool. Means that first of all we have to draw the shape of any images. For example, that I am taking the here polygon. Okay, when I click on the polygon tools, okay, and see here the properties option is not display here. To show the properties option we have to click on the windows and click over here properties. Okay, when we click on the window property will be display here, and from here I am going to change the polygon into the star. Okay, and now I am going to change the color of this also. I am taking the color of this. Okay, this now here I am going to draw this. See here I have draw the this, and here I am going to use the lasso tool. How to select means lasso tool can select the freehandly. For example, that's I am going to select this all the stars. Okay, now see here the lasso tool we can, okay, here is the lasso tool is here. Okay, and the shortcut key is the L. Okay, when we press the L, see here the lasso tool is appear, and by clicking this lasso tools we can select. Okay, if you want to select, then here see here the lasso tool is selecting the entire, and if I select like this, okay, this is the freehand tools. Okay, and again we go over here. Okay, now see here the tool has been selected. Now I am going to in the properties change the colors. Okay, I am going to change the color of this is the blue. Okay, now when I click outside, see here the lasso tool has been selected, the area which has been selected, the already put the color here, the area how many area I have selected, this area has been filled by the this blue color. This is the function of the lasso tool. Here I am going to discuss about the next tool, that is the polygon tools. Okay, now here we are going to see the polygon tools. Polygon tools is here. Okay, and this option is that shift plus L. When we place the shift plus L, and see here these polygon tools will only give the straight line. Okay, straight selection. Suppose that I have selected this and again want to select this. Okay, and select it. Means polygon tools only select the straight, and here we are going to put the color on here. Okay, now we are going to change this color, means selection color. Okay, okay, here now put the color this. Now see here the color has been changed in the this area. Means polygon tools is used to select the straight line, and the lasso tool is straight in the curved way. Okay, in this tools now we are going to discuss about the next tool, that is the selection tool. Okay, means selection tool means soft selection tools. For example, that's here I am going to draw the another. Okay, now see here for this we are going to select the star and we are going to perform it. Now next, transforming the object. By the use of the transforming the object, here we use the pen tool. By pressing the just pen tool is here, and click over here. Now see the notes will be appear in the outside of the stroke here. Now I am going to change this star into the other form. For that we have to select over here. This is the sub selection tool. Click on the sub selection tools and click over in the nodes. Okay, when we click, and now we can stay there. Now see here this person is okay. Now see this is transforming the image by the help of the pen. Okay, now see the this option is okay. Here I am going to again do this. Okay, means by the help of this pen tool we can transfer in the other. Now see here, and again we can pull there here. Okay, this is the transform. Okay, now see here the before that star is the other form, and now by using the transforming the object we can change into here in different form. Okay, now here we are going to show about that how we can fill the color. Okay, into the selected means selected object we have already filled the color. In this image we are going to fill the color. First of all we have to select here, and when we select where in the properties tool the option will appear where, and we can fill this other. Okay, in here we fill red colors, and in this here we are going to fill the another color also by the help of the selection tool. And this selection tools has the same that paint bucket tool. This paint bucket tool put the colors inside the object. And next is that the ink bottle tool, it is used to fill the color outside of the stroke. Okay, suppose that here I am going to select that. Okay, now to select the ink bottle tool we have to click on the that's option. Now see here we are going to see here, and that's the ink bottle tools is there. Okay, now tools. Okay, now just press the S. When we press the S, see here the option is shown on the this bucket has the outer stroke, and if you click over here this here and see here the option, and now the color will be changed. Now see here, for that we have to select the color. Same color is that, so we are going to select the this color. Okay, not this color, this color. Okay, now here I am going to put here. Okay, first of all we have to select the object where we want to put, and this is used to put the colors over here. Okay, now see here property tools and property tools, and then a stroke color. A stroke color means that we are going to put the yellow color. Okay, yellow color will maybe seen over here. Okay, now here we are going to put the colors means S. Okay, now see here, the yellow color has been, it's not showing, but here by the help of this we can select the other color also. If you want to select this which color, you can select black color. Okay, black color, then put here black color. Now see here this ink bottle tool used to fill the color the outside means stroke side. Okay, now this is your end of your tools. In the next tools we read about the eraser tools. Okay student, thank you.